God, muddy. Oh, I got a hit, guys. All right. All right. All right, good morning. Good morning, guys. Look, got a fish. So, I mean, we just started. I mean, this is like this third cast this morning. And basically what we're doing today, we're fishing in December for bass using speed worms. All right, so this is early December, and basically we're gonna try to catch some fish. So let's let this bad boy go. Oh, got a hit. Got one, guys. Oh, gracious mighty. Big bowfin, guys. This guy's fighting. Good gracious. This guy's a big bowfin. Look at this guy. Big old girl. She's hooked good too. Let's go ahead and get her in the net. All right. Whew. Gracious. A big old female. All tangled in the. All right, guys, check it out. Big old bowfin. Look at that. Nice. Whew. Look at our mouth. Check it out, guys. Crazy teeth. Crazy. All right, this is a big old female. Just let it go. All right. I tell you what, guys, that big old fish fought hard, man. I think that thing fought hard for its size. That's one thing about a bowfin. A bowfin would definitely fight. That fish will fight to the end. So, all right. Let's go for a bass. Woo. Hey guys, last week when I was fishing with the shiners in this canal right here, and with the drone, I saw a lake on the other side of this hill, and I want to go check it out. There may be some bass, there may be some hidden places that nobody's fishing right now. So that means there may be big fish if nobody's fishing that area. So let's go over this hill right here, and let's go check it out. All right. Grab some worms. Ugh. Wow. All right, looks like somebody's fish is here. Got 2 green worms. Oh, man, they've been sitting there for a while. Check that out, guys. Yeah, it's been there for a long time. So let's take these, pick these up. Oh, God, muddy sakes. Whoo, slipping, boy. Got him, guys. Good gracious. Nice fish. My net's down there in the bottom. Got him. Woo! Here's a bass right here, guys. Check it out. Nice. I've been trying the canals. I tried a few other places, no luck. I'm in the middle of a flat right now with hydrilla, and I saw this bass hit. The wind's blowing about 15 knots right now, so hopefully the mic is going to pick up good sound. But nice bass right here, guys. So let's go ahead and let her go. All right, got another one. I just caught that nice big fish and my camera was off. Man, I tell you what, guys. Anyway, let's let this bad boy go. Still a beautiful, beautiful fish. Right now I'm fishing in the lily pad flats right here. Okay, that's where I'm fishing. And this is my second fish within 5 minutes. So this might be the location where the fish is located right now. Anyway, let's let her go. Got it here, guys. Here we go. Woo. Got him. I tell you what, this guy right here is fat. Look at him, healthy bass. He hit that worm like a bulldog too. So let's let him go. We caught a lot of bass today, guys, and we caught one huge bowfin. We caught them all on the Zoom speed worm, all right? Now this is the magnum size, so this is the big speed worm. I had a 3/16 ounce bullet weight. I got a bobber stopper, and I got a 4/0 hook. That's the hook I use right here, guys. And what I was doing, I was casting this worm to lily pads and also hydrilla, and I would just reel it in, guys, just reel it in. And the fish would just, boom, they just knock it going to the boat. So that's how I caught them. Now I used 20-pound test line, and I had a 7-2 ratio reel right here, guys, with a 7-foot 3-inch rod. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the show. I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna get some dinner. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Man, I tell you what, guys, I tell you what, this guy right here is fat. Look, guys, we caught a lot of fish today, and I got a reel right here, guys, with a 7-foot 3-inch rod. So, oh gracious, how did I do that? Let's do this again. Oh crap. Not good, not good. God, muddy.